Good morning. Good morning, yes. Wally, what are we having? What do you want, bud? Hey, what are we having? Don't be smiley. Look at you. Give him some love. Give him a smile. Look at you with your hair. Give him some love, bud. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you having for breakfast? Waffles. Eggo waffles, man. Hold them up. Let's do it. Let's go do it. That's a great Father's Day card. So as Steph asked the kiddos, what is something your dad has taught you? Wally immediately said, how to fart. What do you think, Piper?
That's it, Pony.
Train.
Pony. Stop. Come over here. Yay.
Through the tunnel.
Tunnel.
Ooh, it fell off the track.
One, two, 3, 4. It's done,
Good job. Does your little baby have owies? Does little baby have owies? Yeah? You kiss owie? You kiss it? Oh. Oh, yeah. Now baby feels better. And little baby gave you a hug? Oh, baby gave you a hug. Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, little baby gave you a hug. Oh. Oh boy, oh boy. Pile driver? You'll suplex. Top rope. The one hand grab. This could end bad. Oh, devastation. It appears Daisy is stepping up her game. No longer extremities. She has destroyed our buffalo. Completely destroyed the buffalo. Put it right in front of her. All right, Daisy is just on a roll. Oh my. What is she up to? Demented! It's one of those nights. Yeah. It's an Insta night.